How is an anchor fan after being balanced? Okay, turn on slow low. And be showing exactly low and high. We straighten out the blade arms. And we have to balance it because the wobble can somehow cause the wires to wrinkle and they make certain speed not work anymore, and even worse, it could cause problems if wire touches the metal part of switch housing, and it could blow the breaker. That's the worst, as long as it's grounded. It still has a little wobble, but it's not a big deal. And it blows a good amount of air and it's sound. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.